This week, we're hard at work making the joiner's combination square. Let's take a look inside the shop and see what's going on. The aluminum body of the squares are milled with one of our state-of-the-art robots. After milling, the robot carefully cleans off the part and places it back on the shelf for hand inspection. Meanwhile, the steel blades are precision milled at another CNC mill. After the bodies and the blades are milled, they're inspected to check for a perfect fit and functionality. Next, we head over to the laser engraver, where the blades receive their high contrast scale markings. Also, the freshly red anodized bodies are engraved as well. We're continuing to work on the joiner's combination square, and if you didn't get a chance, order yours by Sunday, August 30th, and we'll get working on your new tool.